Now it's time for the teardown. The beadlock capable 392 wheels sold in about a day on Marketplace. Alright, this is part one here of our build of our 392. Kind of give you a little bit of a walk around here of where we're at with it. This is a 22 392 that we ordered. It's got no miles on it. Came in off the truck and we started building on it. So I guess the highlights are our Dana Ultimate 60s front and rear. TerraFlex long arms, 4.5 inches of lift with spring, and then the IR long arm kit. So we just finished up getting all the factory brackets cut off the frame and then putting on the TerraFlex brackets. Speed bump kit, bump stops front, rear, metal cloak, 6-pack shocks. Got the Steer Smarts Yeti drag link and tie rod assembly, bolt on. No drill, everything bolts straight up. It's basically a JK lower tie rod, and then a bottom of the drag link is JK and the top is JL, so it puts it all together for you. And for right now, we've got the metal cloak fender chop kit installed here, which allows you to get this big old extra lip out of the fender, get rid of this big old inner fender in here, open up a ton of room, and then you get a bracket kit that goes up here, gives you a front marker light and a side marker light. Still has your factory LED turning signal function. But we're going to try running these fenders at first, and if we like them, we'll keep them, and if we don't, we'll find something else. And then we can go up. So in full droop here, you can see how much travel we have. That's because of the 6-pack shock. It extended out just so long. And then this is a metal cloak bracket here which drops the top of your shock down. It gives you that much more droop. We've also got some Grim off-road brake lines front and rear. And if you come up underneath, you can see we have a full metal cloak, engine skid, transfer case, transmission skid, and a fuel tank skid. And with the long arm brackets, we had to shave a little couple inches off the side of the metal cloak fuel skid. Doesn't hurt anything, it's just strictly cosmetic. On the back here, you can also see we got the TerraFlex adjustable track bar front and rear. And then we have the Z Automotive adapter, which goes from our factory locker harness over to the Dana Ultimate 60 Eaton locker harness. So it goes from our 4-wire over here to our 2-wire. It's got a little resistor in here which tells the Jeep that it's still the same on its inside, even though it's not. So we're going to be able to use our factory locker switch. We've also got TerraFlex adjustable bump stops in the rear. Right now we've got quite a few inches in there. We're hoping to take some out once we get it on the ground. No back bumper right now. We're waiting on the Huck off-road bumpers to come in, but we sold our factory bumpers already, our factory tires and wheels. They are gone. We're also waiting on our metal cloak inner wheel wells, which should be here any day. And our wheels are off at powder coat. They're supposed to be here later today. Then we can get it on the ground and get our measurements called in for our Tom Woods drive shafts coming out of Utah. So that's where we're at right now. Thanks for watching part 1 of our 392 build. Like and subscribe and hit notifications so you can see when we post part 2 of the 392 build.